Porsche Macan S, we have the flat six Motorsports intakes and a Cobb Accessport. So we're going to install this baby. This is an amazing way to transform the power delivery of the vehicle. Adds a good amount of power. We've already covered tuning options for the Macan, both piggybacks and flash tuning. Cobb is what I would call best of class as far as tuning goes. Also allows you different customizations in the future. If you do hardware upgrades like intakes, you can do our Stage 1 Plus map, also some Pro tuning. We'll get further into it, but let's get the Accessport installed. Okay, we're here in the Macan. So after you have installed any firmware updates, go ahead and plug in the Accessport with the OBD2 connector right here. The OBD2 port in the Macan is directly above the dead pedal. So once it's plugged in, just kind of gives you a quick guide. And we have not installed the Accessport yet, so the first step is to install the Accessport. Confirm that it is a Macan S, which we are in. And then it asks which map. We're going to go with the Stage 1. We're running 93 octane. So you just click the bottom. Running 12 volts. Should be good. If you see a low number, like 11.5 or below, definitely use a battery charger. This thing works pretty quick, so we're just going to go forward with that one. We do have a battery tender if anybody out there needs one. We do rent one. It's an ECU grade battery tender, which we generally recommend with all vehicles. A lot of the newer stuff like the Macan, if you have a pretty new battery, you're probably in pretty good shape. So key is in the on position, and it will go through this process. We'll come back in just a second. So as it's flashing, just wanted to mention, you're going to get some faults and stuff up here in the gauge. This is normal through the process. Just let the Accessport run through the complete setup of the installation of the map. But you'll get probably fans that kick on, a bunch of faults. Don't worry about it. It's all part of the process. This thing's still going, but one thing I forgot to mention, you can go ahead and turn off your lights, put them in the off position, turn off any fan speed as well. The radio as well. Just try to conserve any bit of battery that is needed. No sense in draining the battery while it's doing its thing. Okay, so it just finished up and it asked to put the key in the off position for about 10 or 15 seconds. So we'll just do that. And like it says, just wait 10-15 seconds. I mean, it's very easy to do, really from anywhere, your driveway, your garage. Go ahead and click everything back on, and then hit continue. And installation successful, so it asks again to just put the key in the off position. And all you have to do is wait about 15 seconds or so, and then you can fire it on up. We're going to take this out for a spin and just get some initial impressions. The Cobb Accessport is just a great tool. Not only does it provide you a really safe and nice bump in power, it's a very flexible solution because you can install it, uninstall it if you need to. You can load one of our custom maps. Just going to hit continue. It's just going to go back to the main menu here. Let me go ahead and just crank this on. Fires right up, and I need a battery there. If you're looking for more power to your Macan, it's very simple. You can run our Stage 1 Plus calibration or a full custom Pro tune. So to do so, you just go to our website at flat6motorsports.com, order the applicable tune, whether it's Stage 1 Plus map or if you want our full custom tune. So our full custom tune is going to require you to do some data logging, but it enables us to control a lot more parameters and make more power out of the vehicle. It just depends on what you're looking for, what your goals are. Either way, you're going to have to unplug your Accessport from the car. Some guys leave this unplugged after they flash, so they'll have it in their glove box, office, home, whatever. But if you do have it hooked up, you're going to have to take it out and plug it into a PC and download the Cobb Access Manager software. So follow these steps after you order the tune online, and then you will email us the file, and here are the steps.